Hello everyone. Today I will share a 1-month update on my Etsy print-on-demand shop using Printful as my fulfillment company. I will reveal the stats and insights with you as well as what I learned that I will apply moving forward. In the month of July, about a week after opening, my Etsy shop received a total of 1,174 visits. That resulted in 17 orders and a conversion rate of 1.4%. In this time, I've made $375.14 in total revenue. My shop now has a total of over 450 unique products, and I am continuing to grow my catalog with existing designs that I have. Let's break down the sources of traffic according to Etsy. Etsy itself brought 67% of the visits to my shop. Most of these visits were from the Etsy app, other Etsy pages, Etsy search, and Etsy marketing and SEO. On the other hand, I managed to bring in 33% of visits through various self-promotion efforts, including direct sources and external traffic. While I did use Etsy ads, they only generated 3 out of the 17 sales. This brought in $61.94 for my shop. I experimented with various daily budgets and let them run for about 2 weeks, resulting in a large ad spend of $42.07. Or so I thought, because I only looked at the ads page. When you look closer, you will see that you are charged for off-site ads, which you are automatically enrolled for unless you meet some criteria in the future. Ads are only one expense. Running an Etsy print-on-demand shop comes with other costs. Here is a breakdown of the costs for this period. So if we add up the total expenses for the month, it comes out to $429.96. The profit would be $375.14 minus $429.96. During this period, my shop experienced a loss of $54.82. While Etsy ads contributed to a portion of the expenses, their impact on sales was not significant enough to cover the costs. This is not a surprise, as there is an initial startup cost and other expenses for an Etsy shop as opposed to other print-on-demand platforms. I decided to pause the use of Etsy ads after 2 weeks of using them, as the return on investment was not as substantial as I had hoped. The cost of running these ads outweighed the revenue they generated, resulting in a negative impact on my overall profitability. Etsy's ad system also offers an oversimplified ad setup process where sellers can only set up a daily budget for their campaigns. It automatically optimizes the bidding for ad placements, taking away manual bid adjustments and keywords. This limits some of the fine-tuning options that allows you to optimize your ad spending and product targeting. Let's consider an alternate scenario where I didn't use Etsy ads at all. In this case, my ads expense would be 0. I am also accounting for the loss in revenue that the ads generated. So now, while my revenue was $313.20, by eliminating Etsy ads, my expenses are reduced to $319.94, resulting in a loss of $6.94 for the month. This highlights the impact of the marketing expenses on profitability. Looking ahead, I'm particularly optimistic about the upcoming Q4 period, where t-shirt sales tend to ramp up exponentially from Black Friday all the way up to Christmas. This holiday season presents an excellent opportunity for increased sales and a chance to showcase my unique designs to a broader audience. With Q4 being historically more profitable, I'm excited about the potential growth and success during this time. Throughout this journey, I've realized the importance of optimizing my expenses and focusing on high-converting marketing strategies. The decision to pause Etsy ads for this period has reduced my marketing expenses while allowing me to assess their actual impact on sales. I may also need to increase the price of each product a bit more to increase my profit. By learning from this experience, I'm confident that I can steer my shop towards better profitability in the upcoming months. As I mentioned previously, there is an initial startup fee for Etsy or any business. This includes the listing fees for the hundreds of products that I added. Overall, as my shop becomes more established and gains a larger customer base, the initial upfront costs will be offset by increased revenue. The key is to be mindful of expenses, continuously analyze the shop's performance, and adapt the business strategy to achieve sustainable growth and profitability. That wraps up my 1-month update on my Etsy print-on-demand shop. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.